Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to create a sticky global header. Now Divi's header up here is fine, but there's not a lot to it. You've got your logo and you've got a menu. That's pretty much it. Perhaps you might want to put some social icons up here. I know you can do that with the secondary menu bar. But if you create your own custom one, you're pretty unlimited. You can put timers up here, call to actions, anything you want to do. So let's get started. To do this today, we go down to the dashboard. Obviously, you've got to have Divi installed. We'll be using their theme builder that they introduced last year, which is a fantastic addition. Once you open it up, it gives you this option right here. Here we've got Add Global Header. So let's do that. So I'm going to go ahead and build a global header. I'm going to build from scratch. You can download custom ones from the Elegant Themes sites and various places, but I don't have any of those, so we're building from scratch today. I'm going to add a row with 3 sections, I think. And in the first section, I'm going to have my logo. So I'm going to go down to an image. I'll keep this fairly simple today. Like I say, you can put any modules you like in this, and it's fairly unlimited. You can put countdown timers, call to actions, whatever you want to put in there. Let's grab my logo. And in the middle one, better just save that. I'll put a menu. And you can select your menu down here. I'll just leave that exactly like that. A little squashed up there, but we're going to fix that in a moment. And what should we have on the other one? Let's have some social medias or something over here. Divi comes as standard with all these modules. You also get another dozen or so. If you add WooCommerce, it'll help you display your products. Social media follow. By default, it puts in a couple for you. Just add some more. Whenever you're happy. That'll do fine. Now you can go into the design options. You can customize your icons to be any color that you want. You can make them round, you can give them custom sizes, make them bigger or smaller, make them any color you want. But for me today, I'm going to leave them just like they are. So let's just save this, save that. Okay, it's all kind of squashed up here. Let's fix that. To do that, I'm going to make my row here, the green tab, full width. So I'm going to hit the little cog. I'm going to go to design, sizing. I'm going to slide the width up to 100%. And I'm going to copy the 100%, Control C, and paste it in max width below, Control V to paste. Great. So we've now actually got, if I save this, we've now actually got a row that stretches all the way across our screen, which is just what we want. Now these modules are in here. I want to align them, make sure they're aligned to the center of each of these columns here. So let's go into the module, design, alignment. Great. Go into the menu, slightly different with the menu, design, layout, left align. I'm going to put mine centered. And for the social media icons, similar thing, design, alignment, and I'll center those. Great. So that's looking a bit more like a menu now. My logo's way too big for me. I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go to sizing. And I'm going to pull the width down because we've got it aligned in the middle here. Just till it's about the size that I want it. Something like that works for me. Obviously you make yours how you wish. And let's have a look. Our margin, I just want to pull that down a bit. So I'm just hovering over it. I'm going to grab the top bar, left click, just pull a bit of padding in there. Just going to add a little bit of padding until it's sort of central where I want it. And I'll do the same with our social media icons there. So everything's sort of lined up. You can do this manually by going in and doing it with spacing. That's great. Now our row, the green tab here, I don't want any space between top of it and the top of the bar here. So again, I'm going to go up, I'm going to left click, and I'm going to drag it up so it's right at the top there. And again, I don't want any space on the bottom with the row. You see where the, or I should say the section where the row is at the bottom there, the blue. Again, I'm going to go onto the line, left click, just drag it up to where I want it. Now just to check there's no space there because we've got white on white, I'm going to leave my background white here. I'm going to give this row a silly background color just to check. So I'm going to go into the row, content, background. Let's make it yellow. Okay, I don't see any space up the top there, so I can take that away, or I'll just X out so it won't save. And we're pretty much good to go here. The only other thing I want to do, if I leave it like this, it'll work, but when we scroll down the page, it won't be sticky. In other words, it'll disappear up the top here. I want mine to be sticky so it stays there all the time. So to do that, let's go back in to our little row right here, to the cog, to our advanced settings, and we can go down to scroll effects, sticky position, and I'm simply going to say stick to top. There we go. I don't need any offset, it just wants to be right on the top there. And I don't want any bottom sticky limit. So let's just save our changes and we should be good to go. Save the page changes right here, little purple button. Exit out. Make sure everything's saved in our theme builder here. Let's go to our page. Here's our original, and that's sticky also. Now let's refresh, and my new menu with the social icon should be up here, and it should be sticky. There we go, and let's try rolling down the page. Okay, see a bit of a problem there, but it's a very easy problem to fix. I've forgotten to give my row a background color, so it's opaque at the moment. Simple fix. We'll go back into there, back into the row. Could have left it yellow, I guess. Go into the background, and I'll give it white as the background color. Now of course if you want to, you could give it a box shadow or something over there in design. Box shadow. There we go. Now let's save this and try that again. Just double check that those are saved. Let's refresh and see if we fixed our issue. There we go. So there you have it. There's how to create a custom fixed header with the Divi theme. Really easy to do. And like I say, you can go to town, you can put all kind of elements in here, make it into a mega menu if you want to. I could have spent a little more time aligning my text up there, but that'll do for an example. So there you go. There is a fixed custom header with the Divi theme. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.